Let's start our conversation with simple model NF14. Even simple model from Nordberg is fully automatic model. It can perform all operations in automatic mode, and it have some pros. First, gauges for looking for the pressure, high pressure and low pressure. Second is a touch screen, so you don't have to operate machine with a keyboard with buttons. You can operate directly by pressing on screen. It have extremely user-friendly menu, and the training will pass in very fast and easy way. So your workers will be trained and they will understand everything, I'm sure in this. This machine have very long 3 meters hoses. So you can maintain a car that is standing pretty far away from the machine, 1 or 2 meters away, no problem, long hoses will reach the car and you maintain it, you will recharge AC system. This machine have oil bottles, have a bottle for new PAG oil and have bottle for used oil. Everything that will be recovered from the car will be separated in 2 states. Gas will go through a filter and will go into the inner tank. Used oil will go to this bottle. After this bottle will be full, you can recover this oil and put it in some place. This bottle contains new oil. You can mix it with UV dye 1/7 and you can use oil that already have bright color in the UV light. Also, this machine have a gauge that's showing a pressure inside the inner cylinder with gas. If you leave this machine in the bright sun and it will start to be extremely hot, of course the pressure inside tank will go up. And if pressure is too high, you will not be able to recover or to fill in the gas in the car. So it have manual valve to release some air, not Freon, but air, non-condensed gases. So if you face situation when pressure is very high, you can open the tap and leave it open for a few seconds. Then close and the pressure will be much less. The rear side of this machine we have gas cylinder. All the gas is storing in this cylinder. It's very important. Before work, we have to remove this bolt because this bolt is holding the load cell and the machine will show you 0 kg always. When you will remove, load cell will be unlocked and will accept load of the gas in the cylinder, and it will show you how much kg of gas are storing inside the cylinder. So very simple design. 1 load cell, 2 hoses and heating plate for winter days. If during winter you will have some low temperature, this heater plate will be turned on automatically and will heat the cylinder with gas and needed pressure will be reached. You will see main menu now. On the screen we can see 0 kg. This is because our bolt is still holding the scales and this machine is brand new and 0 kg of gas is inside. That's why we see 0 kg, but if you fill in the gas in the tank, it will show you amount of gas in the tank and the weight in kg or per second. It have extremely user-friendly menu. First of all, when you will receive this machine and you will unscrew the back screw, you will want to fill in tank with gas. So you are pressing button tank fill. It's extremely understandable and also a picture there. Then you will input amount of gas that you want to fill. For example, 3.5 kg. And you see the amount is 3.5 kg. For this machine, I can give you a recommendation. Always keep the weight between 3 and 9 kg, because if you have less than 3 kg. Maybe you will not be able to fill in the gas in the car because of the pressure. If you have around 10 or 11 kg of gas, maybe you will not be able to recover a gas from the car because it will be not enough space in the inner tank. So it is acceptable but not good. The best way is to keep the volume between 3 and 9 kg. It have 3 manual modes: recovery mode, vacuuming process and charging process. All these modes you can press and you can enter the value manually. But it also have automatic mode. Normal or quick charging you will choose, and you will choose how long to do vacuum, how much gas to charge. You'll choose everything, and when you will start the process, it will do all the steps step by step: recovery, then vacuum, then charging, and it will do everything that you previously put in data. How much time to do vacuum, how much grams of gas and oil to put in the car, everything will be there. So this is automatically mode. Next machine that we will review is Nordberg NF16. This is upgraded version of previous machine. It have more useful features like a vacuum test and like a different. Well, it have approximately the same look. It have 2 gauges, one for high pressure, one for low pressure. It have screen, touch screen, that you can operate the menu pressing directly on the screen, not keyboard. But it have printer. You can print the result every time you are recharging something in customer's car. It can give you information about how much gas you recovered, how much gas you put in, how much oil, how much vacuum. Every information you will have in the printout paper. As you can see, this machine have little different from previous. It have bottle for a new oil. It have separate bottle for UV dye, so you don't have to mix UV dye and oil. You can add them separately. And it have a bottle for used oil. Everything is work the same as in previous machine, with one difference. Separate bottle for UV dye, so you can input in the menu how much oil and how much UV dye you want to add in every car. What is the difference between these machines? The same is bolt that is holding a load cell. You have to remove it. In any machine you have to remove this bolt to free the cell. The main difference is that the bottle with gas is inside the machine, not outside. Bottle with gas and load cell is protected by case. First, after unpacking, you have to press tank fill, and you will be able to put the gas from the outer tank in the inside can. We can input the amount of gas that we want to see, 3.6 for example, and after pressing OK, it will start to fill in the gas. Also, it have manual modes. Every manual mode can be arranged how long this vacuum will last. This machine have leak test. This is upgraded version, and in this machine we have vacuum test. And also we can charge how much oil, how much UV dye, how much gas. And of course we can choose what hose we are using: high pressure, low pressure, or both of them. After pressing OK, the process will start. And of course it has automatic mode. When you press, you see, you can input any data, anything. And after pressing OK, it will perform step by step all the steps: recovery, then vacuum, vacuum test, and then it will charge oil and gas in your car. This machine is equipped with vacuum pump, but it have a special window, so you can look to this vacuum pump and you can see the vacuum pump oil. So when the oil will be too high or too low, you can change it easily. Last machine is ultimate top line variant, made in Italy, Nordberg NF13P. P means printer. This machine is extremely good quality. Every spare part that used in this machine is made in Italy. Solenoids, hoses, tubes, everything is top quality. So it also have two gauges, low pressure and high pressure. It have screen and have keyboard. Again, everything is extremely understandable. It's very user-friendly menu. This machine also have 3 bottles of oil. One for new oil, this one for oil type number 2. Different oil usually used in hybrid cars. In hybrid cars, you cannot use usually PAG oil. You have to use special oil for hybrid cars, AC compressors. And third bottle is for recovery, old oil recovered. 3-meter hoses, and you can maintain car that is not very close to this machine. Car can stay 1 or 2 meters away. Everything is understandable. Main menu, manual automatic mode. It have 2-in-1. It have also manual and also automatic mode. You can choose recovery, vacuum test, how much oil and how much gas you want to charge. You can use all the parameters separately. But if you press one more time to the right, it will start all the processes step by step. Recovery, vacuum test, then we will charge oil and then gas. It have special menu for bottle refill. Upon arriving, you will want to charge new unit with gas. So you will choose this menu, and again you will put how much gas you want to see. In this machine, it's better to keep the amount of gas in the bottle between 3 and 9 kg. You can keep lower or more gas, but if you put less than 3 kg, maybe you will not be able to charge the new cars that have big amount of gas. If you have around 11 or 12 kg of gas inside, maybe you will not be able to recover the gas from the car. So the best volume is between 3 and 9. So what's the conclusion? Nordberg have variety of machines that can close all your needs. From the smallest machine that can save you money and work rarely in the workshop, middle one that can work every day, and if you're working all day, few hours per day, don't doubt, choose Italian one and it will work for a long time for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and put the likes.